Microdermabrasion is a versatile skincare treatment known for its ability to refresh and revitalize the skin. And this minimally invasive procedure is not just accessible through dermatologists, but it can also be performed at home with the right equipment. So whether you opt for a visit to your dermatologist or prefer the convenience of a DIY approach, microdermabrasion offers profound benefits for skin health and appearance. And in this video, we are going to explore 7 benefits that makes this technique a standout choice for those that are seeking a luminous, youthful complexion. Number 1 is it boosts collagen production. So microdermabrasion stimulates your skin, encouraging it to ramp up collagen production. And more collagen means firmer, more elastic skin, which is essential for reducing the appearance of aging. Number 2 is it enhances absorption of skincare products. So after a microdermabrasion treatment, your skin becomes a clean slate, highly receptive to nutrients. And this improved absorption capacity helps your favorite creams and serums work better and faster. Number 3 is it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So regular treatments can smooth out fine lines and soften wrinkles, helping to refresh your face and shave years off of your appearance with consistent use. Number 4 is it evens out skin tone. So are you struggling with pigmentation, sunspots, or uneven skin tone? Microdermabrasion can help lighten and even out problematic areas, giving your skin a more uniform look. Number 5 is it improves acne by clearing out pores. So by exfoliating the surface of your skin, microdermabrasion clears out clogged pores and significantly reduces the likelihood of acne flare-ups and other skin imperfections. Number 6 is it reduces the visibility of scars. So if you have surface scars from acne or other skin injuries, microdermabrasion can help to reduce the visibility by gently removing layers of skin, promoting regeneration and healing. Number 7 is it's safe for all skin types. So whether you have dry skin, oily skin, or a combination of both, microdermabrasion is a safe option that can be customized to suit your specific skin type and concerns, making it a versatile choice for anyone looking to improve their skin's health. Microdermabrasion offers more than just superficial benefits. It's a powerful tool in maintaining healthy, youthful skin, and regular sessions can help you maintain an even, smooth complexion and tackle a variety of skin issues. So why not give it a try and see the glowing results for yourself? So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. I hope you got a lot out of it. If you did, you're gonna like the videos at the top. So make sure to check them out. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.